What if I told you you could create cinematic videos like Hollywood-level visuals without a camera, without actors, and without editing? No shooting, no reshoots, no hours in Premiere Pro. Just type and the video appears. This is Luma Dream Machine, and it's changing everything. Let's be honest, creating videos consistently is hard. You've got scripting, filming, lighting, editing, voiceovers, and somehow you're supposed to post 3 to 5 times a week? You run out of ideas, you burn out, you start strong, then disappear. And worst of all, your content doesn't even look as good as you imagined. We've seen this with creators and even businesses with full teams. In this video, I'll show you how Luma Dream Machine works, how you can turn simple text into high-quality videos, and how to actually use it to grow your content without burning out. And I'll also show you how we use tools like this inside our studio to produce content at scale. Section 1. What is Luma Dream Machine? So what exactly is it? It's an AI tool that takes your idea, just text, and turns it into a fully animated, realistic video. Think of it like this. You describe a scene, a cinematic drone shot of a futuristic city at sunset. And within seconds, you get a video. No camera, no crew, no location, just imagination. Section 2. Why this is a big deal. Now here's why this is massive. It removes the biggest bottleneck in content creation, production. Most people don't fail because they lack ideas. They fail because execution is too slow. But with tools like this, you can test ideas fast. And speed is everything in content. Section 3. How it actually works. Simple breakdown. Step 1. You write a prompt. Step 2. The AI interprets your scene. Lighting, motion, camera angles. Step 3, it generates a video clip. That's it. But here's where most people mess up. They treat it like magic. Section 4, the right way to use it. Strategy. If you want good results, you need good prompts. Not just car driving fast, but something like a cinematic low-angle shot of a red sports car drifting through a neon-lit city at night, slow-motion, dramatic lighting. The more detail you give, the better the output. Section 5. Real use cases, creators, and businesses. Now, let's talk about how you can actually use this. Use case 1. YouTube B-roll. You're making a YouTube video. Instead of searching for stock footage for hours, you generate exactly what you need. Custom visuals, unique content, no copyright issues. Use case 2, short-form content. Imagine creating 10 TikToks or Reels in a day without filming anything. That's what this enables. Use case 3, business ads. Businesses can now create ads without expensive shoots. Product concepts, lifestyle visuals, storytelling, all generated. Inside our studio, this is exactly how we help brands test multiple ad creatives quickly. Section 6, combining Luma with other AI tools. Now here's where it gets powerful. You don't use Luma alone, you combine it. Script with AI, voiceover with AI, visuals with Luma, and suddenly you have a full production pipeline. A one-person content machine. Section 7, the reality check. Important. But let's be real for a second. This isn't a click-button, go-viral tool. You still need good ideas, good storytelling, good structure. Because AI amplifies, it doesn't replace creativity. Section 8, where most people fail. Most people will try this, generate a few clips, then stop. Why? Because they don't have a system. Consistency beats tools, every time. Section 9, the pro workflow, inside look. Let me show you how we actually approach this professionally. Inside our workflow at Beep 10 Studio, it looks like this. Step 1, strategy first. We define the goal, views, leads, or sales. Step 2, script. Every video starts with a strong hook and structure. Step 3, Visual generation. We use tools like Luma to create custom scenes where needed. Step 4, editing. This is where everything comes together. Pacing, cuts, sound design. Step 5, delivery. Optimized for platform. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. That's why businesses don't just rely on tools, they rely on systems. Section 10, why businesses still outsource. Now you might be thinking, if AI can do all this, why hire a studio? Good question. Because tools don't replace strategy, experience, consistency. Most business owners don't have time to write scripts, generate visuals, edit, post consistently. They want results, not another tool to learn. Section 11, scaling content with AI. This is where AI becomes powerful, not just for creating one video, but scaling to 10, 50, 100 pieces of content. Imagine this. One idea turned into a YouTube video, 5 shorts, 10 reels, multiple ad creatives. That's how you win today. Section 12, future of video creation. And this is just the beginning. AI video is getting better fast. Soon, the difference won't be who has the best equipment, it'll be who has the best ideas and executes fastest. So the real question is, are you adapting or getting left behind? Now, if you're watching this and thinking, this is a lot, you're not wrong. Learning prompts, creating scripts, editing everything together, it takes time. And if you don't want to do all of that yourself, that's literally what we do at Beep 10 Studio. From idea to script to final video, we handle the entire process. So you can focus on your business while your content keeps growing. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe. We break down AI tools, content strategies, and real workflows like this every week. Drop a comment below. Would you actually use AI to create your videos, or do you still prefer traditional filming? And if you want help scaling your content using AI and professional editing, check the link in the description. Because in 2026, the creators who win aren't the ones working harder, they're the ones working smarter.